This is a sketchbook that I used when I was only 10 years old. And to prove it, I don't know why I wrote this, but hey, I guess I knew that one day I will be doing a sketchbook tour. Okay, and I remember this cover and I remember liking this angle. Maybe that's why I got this sketchbook. All right, shall we begin? Cuaderno de Luis Yan. Cuaderno means book. I grew up in Argentina, so I don't know what these numbers are. Maybe they were my phone numbers. Privado, private, 1990, when I was 10 years old. My signature. I was practicing my signature back then. Here we go. All right, Kung Fu Man, holding two walls. He's wearing some kind of ninja mask. A little energy blast from another fighter. I remember drawing this, and yeah, I was looking at a photo and I think I copied it into the sketchbook. Motorcycle. Yeah, so you can see that at this age, I was drawing anything and everything. Oh, when it comes to date in Argentina, we write the date, month, and year. So that's how it goes. Date, month, and year. Because there's no 13th month. And of course, if you live in Argentina, soccer, or we call it football. I mean, football makes more sense. You are playing with your foot and kicking balls. Go! And from here, you can see that I'm beginning to tell stories. The ball passes there, boom, and kicks it, scores. Right? Now I'm beginning to create some character design. I guess I'm thinking more on storylines now. Little monkey warrior or gorilla warrior versus a ninja mixed with El Luchador. Now these are not my sketches. I remember my big brother sketching on my sketchbook because back then he was actually better than me at drawing. Not bad, right? But now I'm a little bit better than him at drawing. Soldier Man. Thank you, soldiers. A little flying kick. You see that spinning all the way going to the back. Boom! Little alien creature die, and you see that there's some storytelling. We see some cracked eggs with yolks leaking. I guess these are the eggs of this creature or creature. Ninja Masked Man. And here I think I was planning to draw a war scene, but either I gave up, which I don't think so, or maybe this is the whole story. Two tanks attacking one soldier, and they won. Okay, we are beginning to see more stories in the illustration. A bunch of street fighters. Oh man, I was a little violent. Only 10 years old. Look at that. Look at that hammer cracking this little man's. Is that brain coming out? I hope not. Okay, alto, policía. Stop, police. And this guy is gone. This guy's done. Painful. Yes, I remember RoboCop. You guys remember RoboCop? Deeply inspired by this movie. And you see the gun flipping. So there's a little story in this sketch too. I think some of these sketches were done by my big brother again. I'm not quite sure. El Luchador. Look at that. Look at that neck choke. I mean, somebody stop this fight. He's gone. Sandy. Nombre Sandy. I think this is one of our dogs that we used to have. But I don't remember Sandy. Sorry, Sandy. I don't remember you. Now you begin to see me trying to tell stories in panels. He's fighting with this wrestler guy, and our kung fu guy is about to do some Shaolin kick, and the story ends. But you see me drawing panels, and you see me trying to tell stories. And we do have a flying kick with a happy dragon on the background. Oh, look at that. This is actually my first ever recorded comic book that I've done. I've probably done more, but this is the first one recorded that I kept. And yeah, now you see the fighting in sequence. 10 years old, I guess I love to draw muscle men fighting since when I was a little. See that punch on the cheek? Uppercut! Boom! Blood. Coughing blood. Smell my toes. And all of a sudden, airship. Right, more comic books. Okay, I guess he's fighting. Yes, he's fighting the same guy. He punches him, so the head is kind of getting loose, and then he kicks him hard again, and then a fireball right into his. Sorry, that must have hurt. And of course, inspired by RoboCop, I drew a couple. I guess we can call it comic book or storyboards, right? I was storyboarding at age 10, guys. Wow, I didn't see it that way. Okay. Now this was done by my big brother. Just showing off from time to time, popping into my sketchbook and drawing just to prove that he's better than me, which he was. Not bad, big bro. Oh wait, actually I think this is mine, and because I drew this, my big brother came to the next page and he drew this. Yeah, so then the story goes, I probably drew this and he came right next page, on the next page, to draw his cast to show me that he's better than me. Thank you for the inspiration, big brother. I love you. You know that. Look at that. Chino, Coreano, Chino. I guess he's Chinese, and then I try to make him Korean, but then I changed it to Chinese. I guess I was building a cast of characters for the comic book, for the storyboards. A little piece of Batman, unfinished Batman. Yes, so now we have the full cast here of the fighters. So we have the Kung Fu Man from China. We got the Taekwondo guy from Korea. And we got the wrestling guy from the United States. And some spaceships for military fighting scene. Superman with a T. I don't know. Maybe his name is Superman. Hulk. Oh no, this is potentially Hercules. Look at the cute hands. Look at the cute hands. Boom. Ouch. Why did you punch him? I don't know. Oh, what happened here? Anyways, so this is my sketchbook when I was 10 years old, guys. 10 years old. I'm sure you can draw better than this, or even better than this, or actually even better than this. Therefore, you can get better, I can get better, and we can all get better as we do if we practice enough. Now this is my next sketchbook.